Greetings from Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to look at an extremely rare automobile, first year for the Imperial Convertible. Well, welcome and greetings to Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at one of 650, that's a very small production number, for the Chrysler Imperial Convertible. We found a really nice example here. It is the first year for the 331 Hemi motor. Now everyone knows the word Hemi, which is in everyone's vocabulary today with all the Chrysler products and out there today, but this is the first year that one was available in a car. So this is a nice convertible. It was the top of the line for Chrysler, the most expensive car on their lineup. This one actually was restored a number of years ago and was done to a very high level. Beautiful chrome work, nice original color for the car was the tan. The tan leather interior is really nice. Like I said, it's one of those cars that if you're looking for an extremely rare example, and this is one we have right here at Ellingson's. It even has the Kelsey Hayes wire wheels, which are correct for 1951, something that you could have. So, you know, Ellingson Motorcars has a inventory of close to 100 cars for sale at almost any one time. You want something really interesting for your collection to drive and be seen down the road, going down the road in style. We have one right here, our 51 Chrysler Imperial Convertible. Our hours at Ellingson's are Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. You can find us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. We're out there on the internet. You can find on our website as well to look at all the cars on our inventory right now at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.